Here, H.C. Verma Solutions, chapter number 3, Rest and Motion Kinematics. Question number 29. A ball is dropped from a height. If it takes 0.2 seconds to cross the last 6 meters before hitting the ground, find the height from which it was dropped. Take g is equal to 10 meters per second square. In this question, what is given here? A ball which is dropped from certain height. That means that height, that is h. This ball dropped from certain height means at t is equal to 0.2 seconds, ball crosses the 6 meter distance from the ground. So here, which one we want to calculate here? Total height required. So that means from the ground 6 meters, this is okay. But from here to here, this distance is, I will take this distance as a small h. That one. So here, which one we want to calculate here? This total distance required. So first of all, we have to calculate this velocity, then afterwards this height, then afterwards total height. So here, first of all, we will calculate this velocity. So that means for that, which one is required here? S is equal to ut plus half a t square. Here S, that is distance 6. Here this velocity is nothing but u2 into 0.2 seconds plus half into 10 into 0.2 whole square. That means 6 is equal to 0.2 into u2 plus 2 here 5 times 5 into 0.04. So here 6 is equal to 0.2 into u2 plus 5 into this one 0.2. So here 0.2 into u2 is equal to 6 minus 0.2. So here u2 is equal to 5.8 divided by 0.2. So u2 is equal to 5.8 by 2 is nothing but 58 by 2 is nothing but 29 meters per second. This is the velocity. That means at here the velocity 29 meters per second. But which one I want to calculate here? This height required. We know the formula, that is v square minus u square equal to 2as. So here, what is the velocity here? This one, u2 minus u means u1 whole square is equal to 2 into a into s. So here u square, that is 29 whole square minus 0 square is equal to 2 into 10 into the distance I want to calculate. That distance is how much here? H. So here h is equal to 29 into 29 divided by 2 into 10, that is 20. So here after calculating 29 into 29 divided by 20, 42.05 meters. But which one we want to calculate here? Total distance. So here total distance, that is h is equal to here small h plus this 6 meters from the ground. Here 42.05 meters plus 6 meters is equal to 48.05 meters. This is the solution for question number 29.